BS aside, it all
I'm watching
comes down to you
Tupac,
got to survive.
Rules for Success.
I mean,
I
even
love this
Warriors
man.
put their
Gemini,
spears down
just
on
like me.
Sundays. We got to survive here in this country. Because I'm not going back to Africa. We got to survive here. For us to survive here, bigger change. And when I say Americans, people think I'm talking about Uncle Sam. I mean, like, actually Uncle Sam with the gray hair and the flag. I mean, you. The guy, you know, you.
Me. I think I'm going to start vlogging.
Hit that whole like 10K.
Period. It is 10:11. Dayshift.
But don't get the wrong idea. I feel like I'm getting gloomy. I don't mean just be like
at 11 a.m.
I can tell that what you want, but it's like you can't let it show. I've tried again and again to give you what I need, but you're not. And I chose you, cause you're all I need. And you chose your man, but your man ain't me. So I don't call my phone, acting like you can. I made my move.
Work. The day shift begins in 10 minutes, and this is a habit I'm trying to break, but I have an issue with like tardiness. Roman numeral 2, but it's like the Gemini symbol. I'm really into astrology and the zodiac. We used to have when I like first started my YouTube channel, I was reading tarot cards. All of those videos are archived now, so probably will not be seeing them unless for some reason I decide to like upend them, but probably not. But yeah, this is the curly wet. I love it. It's one of my faves. I have 2 wigs. This is the first one. My first one ever. Y'all have seen this. It's what I really wore in New York. And then when I first got out here, I just brought it back out because it's like my only wig. It needs water. It really needs to be washed and like soaked because I need the hair is like it's big. I like it, but also like it's getting tangled and a little bit matted in some spots. So I have to really take care of it and be careful. The best $9.99 I've ever spent. Damn, it's a look. It's a look. It's definitely a look. I might pop out. I just might. I'm like, who is she? Who is she? It's me. Abundance. Hello. So like these 2 wigs that I have, you will notice that the closure is like full closure. I think I'm using these terms properly. Full closure. No edges, no leave out, no glue, just put it on and go. And that's my style. I don't like to do too much with my own hair because I just never learned those skills. I didn't pick them up and I just don't like it. I don't care for it. Let me text Art and let him know that I'm coming to work today. Also, what I love about being a stripper is like when you don't show up to work, your boss will text you like, hey, I miss you, as opposed to, bitch, why you just been having no shows for the past 3 days? You're fired. You feel me? And I don't fuck with that because I like to make my own schedule. Mia Gogo on Instagram, another Chicago beauty. I love her. I adore her. I think she's a beautiful spirit. And she has a great purpose here. So, girl, keep it up. Also, it's Pocahontas' birthday. Y'all, this is the first stripper that really put me on out here. It's her birthday, so she getting turned. Happy birthday, baby. Make sure I cash app you. Hopefully I see you at work today.
I could drop 40 on that way, but it's all my money left in the world. That bad, yeah.
Who gonna drop 40 on me? If a stripper was to make 20K in one night, it would be me. And that's just period, cause I need that. Hello.
On my team, like Miami, my management team, sometimes in my name, they ask me sometimes, what is wrong with you? Why you so negative? Why you so mean? And I be so negative, and this is because I was facing a charge. Why I'm so negative? DM me. I'm gonna help you. I swear. I'm gonna help you.
It's my niece from Thursday. Dayshift.
When you come tonight, squeeze me tight, hold me close, kiss my cheek or rest my soul. Take a care, stroke my hair, make me blush, go so deep that my mind is full. You know it's been some time since I tried, guys to show. Not too many of them are honest, but he holds it down, stands his ground, plays his move, doesn't rush to get into my body. And that's that shit that I like. I'm here looking up in my mind. Is it wrong that I really want you? I want you back. And there's no need to ask, you feel it too.
Hit that hoe like 10K.
Period. Run up if you want something special. I'll take you on a shopping spree. Cause I'm so into you. I'm so into you.